In today's rapidly evolving educational landscape, more families than ever are choosing to homeschool their children. This decision often stems from the desire to provide a tailored learning experience, yet it presents unique challenges, particularly in nurturing social interaction. The question arises, how can parents ensure their homeschooled child develops meaningful connections? Today, let's explore the possibilities for creating a thriving social network for your homeschooled child. First and foremost, community is key. Socialization is an essential part of any child's development. For homeschooled children, this may require a bit of creativity and resourcefulness. Many local communities offer homeschooling groups or cooperatives where families come together to share educational experiences. These groups not only provide academic enrichment, but also facilitate lasting friendships among children with similar educational backgrounds. Moreover, sports and recreational activities offer another avenue for socialization. Signing your child up for local sports leagues, dance classes, or martial arts can not only develop their physical abilities, but also introduce them to teamwork and camaraderie. These environments help children form bonds through shared goals and achievements, fostering a sense of belonging. Now, let's not overlook the power of technology in bridging social gaps. Virtual meetups and online educational platforms offer excellent opportunities for homeschoolers to interact with peers. Joining online forums and discussion groups related to their interests allows homeschooled children to connect with others from diverse backgrounds, all while expanding their knowledge base. Just as importantly, virtual socialization offers a global perspective, introducing children to cultures and ideas they might not encounter within a local setting. Public libraries, community centers, and museums frequently host events specifically designed for children. Participating in workshops, reading clubs, and science fairs provides occasions for homeschoolers to engage with other children while exploring their interests. These activities not only offer educational value, but also encourage social interaction in a structured environment. Lastly, never underestimate the power of volunteering. Involvement in community service or local charity work introduces children to people of different ages and backgrounds, teaching empathy and societal responsibility. Volunteering as a family can also foster stronger familial bonds, modeling teamwork and commitment. In conclusion, while homeschooling might initially appear to limit social opportunities, a wealth of resources is available for parents willing to seek them out. By actively engaging with community groups, encouraging extracurricular activities, utilizing technology, attending local events, and volunteering, you can help your homeschooled child build a rich and diverse social network. Through these efforts, your child can experience a full spectrum of social growth, preparing them well for the diverse, interconnected world.